Shit, cancel. So guys, right now I'm in Reliance Digital in Phoenix Mall. These guys, these two played a prank on me. This guy is gonna buy a GoPro. He didn't tell me. He was like he's gonna buy a laptop charger. Then he played. Okay. He's the guy who played the prank on me. Finally, he's getting a GoPro. That too, Hero 7. So we finally got the GoPro. They are billing it over there. Sharat, how excited are you?
I don't know what's wrong.
We both are more excited than him.
Yeah.
This guy is trying out trimmers. Huh? Yeah. Wait, I don't know. Yeah. He got his GoPro Hero 7. We'll go to his home and unbox the cam. By the time we'll be checking the iPhones. Another couple of gadgets over here. Hey, how do you unlock this door? Swipe up to open. Oh, you have to drag it from there. Sap. Next upgrade. Check out the cost of this shit. 377 R3. Maybe an R3, right? Alien gaming.
It's a pure
gaming laptop. अच्छा ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಗಾಡಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂತೀಯ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪಾ So finally exiting the mall. He got the cam, he's excited and we are excited too. Find the car. And our car is over there. So we are getting back to home right now. And yeah, there is the car. Go slow, dude.
So I'm checking the camera now and you'll see the vlog soon.